Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the water leak in this faucet. This faucet is the same as the one I fixed the water pressure. You probably seen in my other video. You can see there's a water droplet, also water dripping here as well as underneath the sink through the pipes. So the main reason for this faucet leaking is the faucet cartridge, which sits inside the handle. You can see once you open it. The way to remove the faucet cartridge or replace it, basically you need to remove the handle first. As you can see, there's a hole where you can put the Allen wrench. The number is 2.5. It is a little bit tricky because the hole is pointing towards downwards. So what I did is basically remove the whole faucet set, disconnecting all the water supply, and then I removed the screw using the Allen wrench. There are some tricks to do this, but just to be careful when removing the handle. I've seen some videos they use the hammer to push it out. Basically you need to pull the handle so that the cartridge detach from the handle. As you can see, when I was doing this, I tried hitting, then I saw a little bit crack, and anyway I had to break it down to replace the cartridge. As you can see, there is a leftover part in the handle which was very hard to remove because this faucet is like 10 years old, I guess, and it pretty much got stuck, and I had to use the torch to melt it down and to remove it. What I found was there was a screw inside this, the white part, whatever you see, the remaining of the cartridge. This is what I'm referring to. As you see, the screw which I removed from the old one, and that goes right into that white cartridge part. You can see how it is aligned. Basically the Allen screw and the screw that goes inside the cartridge are perpendicular to each other. To remove the cartridge, you need to remove the dome as well as the ring inside of it. Once you remove the ring, you can get the cartridge out. You can see the faucet cartridge here. There's a number on the other side, on the green part. You can look for the number or just search online. Basically I got the Kohler brand for this. It was pretty compatible with the brand I had, so somehow it worked. Here is the item, the one I got. I got it from the local store here. Luckily it was available so that I could fix it on the same day. Here is a comparison for the old and the new. You can see the old one is broken while I was removing the top part. This is the inside view of the faucet where the cartridge sits. Replacing the faucet cartridge is pretty straightforward. You can just insert it and tighten with the ring. This is how it looks like. As you can see, there is a hole in that white part from the cartridge. This is where the screw goes in. The screw, what I was talking earlier, where it sits perpendicular to the Allen screw. Put the screw inside that hole and then tighten it until it goes halfway. As you can see, there's a mark. Now it's time to put the handle back. Put the dome first and then you can place the handle and tighten with the Allen key. It is a little tricky to put the Allen screw because it has to align straight to the hole. Once you tighten it, it will sit there forever. And that's all, folks. This is how we fix the leaking faucet. Hope you learned something. Thank you so much.